Hi, this is Terry Queen, the Literacy and Math Consultant for the PIPD section within the EC division. I'm going to go through a small tutorial on how to use the NCSIP events calendar. You want to go to this website, ncsip.org. Once you're there, you'll see tabs at the top. You have a tab called Home, About Us, Evidence-Based Practice, Partners, Parents, and the last tab at the top on the right-hand corner is called Events. You want to click on the Events tab. Once you do that, you'll need to scroll down the page to see the calendar. The calendar looks much like your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar would look in your computer. It has the month at the top, has a way to filter. It also has the arrows to go to the next month. So the arrows at the top on the left will take you to different months, or you can look at today by clicking the Today tab. The one that you see on your screen is for April 2019. When you're looking at this calendar, you're going to see different boxes on the days of the month. So if you look at April 5th, that Friday, you'll see two events that are happening on that Friday. The first event that I'm going to talk about is in green. So if you look at the top, the key for this calendar, the green color will tell you that it's a Reading Research to Classroom Practice course. The blue color will tell you that it's a Foundations of Math course, and the purple color will tell you any other professional development offerings that we have across the state. You want to click on that tab. So if I wanted to see the details about the Beaufort Reading Research to Classroom Practice LEA Day 5 course, then I would click there. Once I click on this tab, it's going to give me the details about that event. At the top, it has the name of the event. So for this particular one, it is a state-level multi-day course. It is a math course, the start date, the end date, who's teaching the course, any other information that might be provided, how many people can come, and then also details about what you need to bring to the course. Toward the bottom, you're going to see that there are dates listed for Reading Research to Classroom Practice and Foundations of Math courses. These are 5-day courses, and you must attend all 5 days in order to experience the course. You're going to see the lead facilitator email link toward the top. For this particular entry, it is Melissa Towery. You can contact this lead facilitator to determine any other details about the training that you might need to have. You also may have a link at the bottom of the page for the registration. So once you click on that registration, you're able to actually register for the course. Some districts may have a small charge to participate in the course that just covers the participant manual.